Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you now how to check if your Windows 11 is activated or how you can check your activation status on your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to your startup menu bar right here. Go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on system. Then scroll down right here, continue to scroll down until you get to about. Click on about. Then you are here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to product, key, and activation. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. If your window is fully activated, you will have the activation status right here. As you can see right here, it states active, which simply means that this window here is fully active. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.